As promised, a video of our new office. We will be entering the new front door with our new expanded parking area for our patients. We'll be going in the front door of the building into our new waiting room with our receptionist office. Looking down our hallway to the restrooms and down the hallway for our exam rooms, with exam rooms on the left and the right, with the wonderful automatic lights that come on. So a lot of patients will say this looks a lot like our old office in the exam rooms, and it does. Exam room number 2, our infrared sauna coming soon to open up for business. Exam room number 3, and then our IV room with, again, the automatic lights, with our IV chairs and nursing station where you can be checked out, received through our window, and our new lab area that's dedicated to lab services with a dedicated bathroom and station. So this is what our new office looks like. If you have not been here since we moved several months ago, but this is part of the new for what happened in 2019, but we are looking also, like I said, forward to the sauna and also using our IV room for some neurofeedback. So look forward to introducing you to our office in person. Have a blessed 2020.